welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a leveling up maintenance vlog. Okay, the thing about me is I'm gonna do me on maintenance. Like, if you be tuning in with my videos, you know I love a good maintenance. Like, yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and we're gonna get straight into my lashes.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play a cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news.
Okay guys, so my lashes are done. I don't know how I feel about them though. Like, I literally used to do my lashes like big and look like this all the time. I feel like I added too much pink. I think that's what it is. I give myself these like wispy spikes, would you say?
Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High volume.
Cross them up. All these street these bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up. All these street these bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up.
Okay guys, so I just waxed my brows and they're finally starting to grow out. Like, you can literally see that the tail's finally coming down after my eyebrows literally, I swear my eyebrows used to be right here, y'all. But I just got done washing my face with the Peace Out Pore Perfector, and now I'm about to go in with my Tropical Brightening Eye Patches, which is gonna be my last step. I'm gonna go in with my Ordinary and let it sit on pores, and that's pretty much it for tonight, y'all. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when we start my hair.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in.
Hey guys, so my wig is installed, but y'all, I feel so cute. I could you not. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. I just noticed. I really hope that wasn't showing today. I feel like it wasn't. I don't think it was, y'all. But that's my wig band. Like, not the wig band. It's my sock cap or whatever. But y'all, so cute. I'm loving this color. I've been sweating a lot too, so I didn't get to like really do like my edges like that because I had to go. But I love this wig and the lace itself. I need to put like some makeup on it. I didn't do anything to it yet. I just did I did one swoop and then I literally like, I had to go. I was supposed to go to the military base to get my picture taken. That's also why I wanted to look cute, but that did not go accordingly because I thought I was losing air in one of my tires, but it's really just because my sensor's broken and all this other stuff. But today would have also been a good spend the day with me because it's really been a productive day. After my lash client, I want to do my nails and finish my maintenance. My toes still surprisingly look really good. A bit chipped up, but not need for a feel, to be honest. Even my nails really barely need a feel, but since my thumbs are both off, which is so funny to me, I just want to do a feel and do like a new nail set. So I'm about to start doing my nails.
Got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Taking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps was a fact, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it snap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask and a
Hey guys, so I just got done with my nails. You guys, look y'all, let's let it focus. Look how cute they look. Y'all, literally, y'all. First of all, I had some chocolate chip on my nail. Yeah, I did my nails. I just got done taking the best shower, y'all. Like, I shaved and everything, which I'm kind of mad about because, like, I'm literally about to get in the fucking pool and then, like, all this stuff is gonna go away anyway, but that's okay. Ugh. And this wig keep fucking showing. This keep pissing me off. Over here trying to be out and seen. Hey guys, so I was debating right now if I wanted to keep the side part or do a middle part, and I actually do fuck with this, yo. Like, I'm really fucking with it, so I think I'm going to leave my hair like this. Yeah, I'm gonna just do the side part on this side. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to wet my hair up a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I want to do like a cute little like natural glam, because I know I'm not getting in the water. But yes, I just took my nose ring out because I hate doing my makeup with my nose ring in. But yeah.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. You guys see the baddie. I'm currently looking like a doll right now. Show you guys how I look in here too. But yeah, y'all, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog. By the way, right now I'm about to go night swimming and take some cute pictures. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just leveling up, getting cute. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, check out my other videos, and bye.